Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can format paragraph right in Microsoft Word. Very important. So we're going to be looking at some instruction and what we're going to do right in the paragraph. So the first thing we want to look at is how to open a blank document. Second one, type out the following. Right. So if you notice right here, it's equal array nd. So it's a code, and then it's a press enter. Right here, it's a drop cap all the first letter in all the paragraph. Put a paragraph border on paragraph 3. Add column to the document. Insert a page border to the document, and insert signature line to the document. Alright, so right away we're going to actually take on that particular procedure. So the first thing that we wanted to do, come right here, so upon the desktop, we're going to right click, and there, you notice this look window come up right here, so you want to come down to new. When you come to new, this itself is the document that you want. So we're going to click, you notice it's up here. We can either press enter to make it open, or we can come here and right click on it, just the same. It's up to you whether if you want to press enter or you right click. Right, so notice here it is show that document actually processing so far. Alright, so whenever time you see come look at it like this, what you have to do is come right up here and just expand it just like that. Alright, so now we actually open the document. The next instruction said type out the following. So you're going to type out equal array nd, the bracket, make sure you put the bracket and you put 12. When it's done, it said then we press enter. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Definitely, so we're going to say on the keyboard equal RAND. So we're going to hold on shift key, pressing 9, you put in the bracket and press 12. Press shift key again and then press enter. You notice it gives you 12 paragraph. Very important right there to pay close attention to that. Next thing again is to drop cap all the first letter in all the paragraph. So we're going to drop cap. Alright, if you notice, you're going to hold on the shift key or the mouse and take a look at time and block the V. When you do that, you're going to come to insert. When you come to insert, you're going to travel all the way here. You notice right here, it says text. This is text box. Cap, drop cap. You're going to click and you're going to come right here. You notice, just like that. Bring it up a look at that more you can see it. Alright, so if you notice, we're going to repeat the same process. We're going to do it just like that. Repeat the same process. Go back up. Drop cap, just the same. So what we do is just repeating the process. So when you open my book, you notice sometimes you see these word big out of the end. I wonder how them get it. This is exactly how them do it. Right then, Microsoft Word. Alright, so you can see so far coming on nice. Alright, so we drop capping the first letter. You have to take a time and block it. For you first timer, it might be quite a little challenge, but just hold on the mouse left side and do it. Alright, you can put the mouse right in between areas and they hold on left and they go to it right like that. Make it much easier for you to do. Alright, so let me see now. Alright, this one leave now. So as soon as I do this one now, let me see. Alright, so the next thing that we want to look at there, you notice is to put a paragraph border on paragraph 3. So we're going to put a paragraph, and bear this in mind, a paragraph border is different from a page border. So the first thing that we wanted to do is to block everything. Now we block everything right here. So we're going to click right here, up here the tab that said home. When you click on home, you're going to come right in here that said paragraph. If you notice this little thing look like a window, you're going to click it, right side of it, and you're going to come down right here. You can say outside border or you can say all border. Right, you notice, and this itself is the paragraph border. So now we have the paragraph border. Now next thing you're going to be looking at add column to the document. Right, so we're going to add column to the document now. First thing we want you to do is come right here and layout. Some of you might see page layout depending upon your Microsoft Word. Alright, so when I click on layout, you notice right here is a page setup, is a column. You're going to click it. You notice you have 2, 3 or 4, but I'm going to select the 2 column just like that. If you notice, this is what it look like. Let me kind of come down now. You notice now the document start to get like a shape. Alright, very nice. That's what it looks so far. Alright, the next thing is to insert a page border around the document. So now we want a page border. What we just do while ago is column. To get the page border, we're going to come right up where it says design. So when you click on the design, you're going to go all the way. You notice the page background, you're going to click right there. So as soon as you click right there, notice it show you none, box, shadow, 3D and all that. But if I click right here, notice show over here because over here is the display. But if I don't want this thin border, I want a pretty border, I can come right down here that said art, and I just click right here and none. That's when I click there, it's on pretty border, which I can actually scroll up like that and choose the one that you want. Right, I'm going to select this one. But if you notice how thick it is, I want to get it in smaller, I can come right to that's the width, and I'm gonna click just like that. You notice how small I get over here. So I'm clicking and clicking, carry it in, and when I finish I can come right here and press OK. And if you notice my border around this so far, it's very nice, very important now. So the next thing what I want to look at right here is to insert a signature line to the document. Alright, good. So in order for us to insert a signature line, we're going to go to insert. So when you click on insert, you're going to come all the way. Notice where it says text up right here at the top. That says signature line. You're going to click right here, look a pointer. Notice it's a Microsoft Office signature line, add signature line. So I'm going to click on Microsoft signature line. You notice that soon as I click, you notice it's right here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my name here. Right, I'm gonna put my name there. Then right down here in this line, I'm gonna put my title right there. As soon as I put my title here, email address. But I'm just going to rest with this now. I'm going to press OK. But if you notice I press OK, it's actually right up here side document. I don't want it there. I want it at the bottom of the document. So what I wanted to do in order for me to get at the bottom of the document, definitely I want to click on it. Come right here and click on it. Just click on it, highlight. You notice up here it says the formatting tool come up. So I want to click on the formatting tool. When you click on the formatting tool, what you're looking for is the word position. So this is every position. So you're going to click on the little pointer there. Alright, so now we're going to select this one. So this one will take it to the bottom left of the page. So I'm going to click on that. Alright, so I'm going to scroll down. Alright, scroll down. Alright, there you go. So this is the signature line right here. So that's exactly how you actually format a Microsoft Word document. I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So remember to share, like, and subscribe.